Make no mistake about it, you're looking at the world's tiniest thermal imaging camera, the all-new InfiRay P2 PRO. Oh, this thing rocks. And a big shout out to InfiRay. Thanks so much for sending the P2 PRO in for this review. Here we go. First off, we get two little brochures. One is a product certificate just letting us know it went through Q&A quality assurance testing back in June of 2023 this year. Good stuff. Also get a tiny little, it's more like a, not really a manual, but a little addendum in Chinese and English. English just tells you where to go to download the app and how you connect it to your camera. But hey, it's dummy-free, one of the simplest things you're ever going to use in the test instrument world. Simply plug it into your iOS or Android device. In this case, this one is designed for the Android, and I'm using it on my Android phone. Plug it in, and that's it. Away you go. You also get a very cool, spunky little InfiRay case. Now this is a good thing because this is so tiny, you can lose it. Oh man, yeah, it's very easy to lose. So having this little case is a good thing. Believe me, it's a good thing. Gosh darn it, InfiRay is so smart. They even thought of that little lens cap to protect your thermal imaging camera. Good job. And thank goodness InfiRay gives us that USB-C extender cable, because with some of these units, including the InfiRay, it's hard to insert it into your phone with a case attached. So this just makes it all the much easier, and you know, it gives a little bit more functionality as well because you're not at the mercy of holding it per se. Just simply goes on the end like so. Oh, nice. Now, as if this camera isn't cool enough, oh man, you even get a macro lens to go with it. Yeah, that's right. InfiRay has thought of everything. Macro is magnetically designed, so it just attaches like so onto the InfiRay, and suddenly you have macro capability with your thermal imaging camera. Oh man. And it makes a big difference too, because here I can't get up close at all to this Fluke PCB. No, can't do it. Let's attach that macro. And look at that, like night and day. Look at those tracks. Yeah, amazing. So, oh man, this makes the instrument just that much better, that much more useful. I'll give you another example. Looking at a bracelet that I've got on right now, and without that macro, it's just fuzzy wuzzy. Let's put that macro back on and look at the detail it's going to bring out. Look at that. Amazing. So yeah, wow, what a world of difference here. Once you download the InfiRay app via the Google Play Store, because this one is for the Android version, hook it up, that's it. Download, quick install, and you're going to attach your USB extender or the device right into your phone or tablet, and it will take just about a couple of seconds to initialize, and there you go. There's that little spinning wheel, and voila, here we are. Look at that resolution. This is just a computer desk, but you get the general idea. Look at that monitor, look at the heat. Of course, the wider, the hotter it is. There's my hand, and look at the heat signature from my hand. Okay, I'm giving the thumbs up here, look at that. The quality, the detail here for this camera is truly extraordinary. This is usually what is reserved for very expensive thermal imaging devices, but suffice to say, they really hit the nail on the head with this one. You can have a picture-in-picture window as well with the little InfiRay. Look at that, picture-in-picture. You can save videos, pictures to any directory you want. And here is a list of different functionalities, the mode, the image settings, lots of customizability, lots of functionality included with this thermal imaging device. Here we have different heat signatures. You can see different temperatures coming up. And once again, this is all customizable. You can set points, you can set waypoints, the contrast, the brightness, you name it. You can have that thermal imaging picture really designed to your heart's desire. You have total functionality here, customizability, and as you can see, lots of different settings. Of course, it does Celsius or Fahrenheit, completely up to you. And once again, look at that. Full language as well, different languages. You can have that bar on the side of the image as well, so you can have different heat zones being displayed vertically like that. So all in all, one really nice device here in terms of usability. And one of the really cool features coming up shortly, I'm going to show you. Yeah, I'm sorry, I just couldn't get enough of my heat signature. But well, you get the general idea. Look at that. You can customize your images. So if you want to go monochrome or blue heavy or you know, whatever you want, or just the classic thermal imaging style, yes, you can change the actual colorized image to suit your heart's content. Once again, that picture-in-picture, really cool. It gives you a good idea of what it is that you're looking at as well, and really helps overall with the general, you know, the look. Hey, when you're doing a thermal image, you want to make sure you're getting that
right
target.
Beside the little InfiRay is another thermal imaging camera, a standalone one that I'm going to be reviewing soon. And look at the size difference. I'm telling you, this thing is tiny. I am super happy to report I've had zero issues, none whatsoever, with that P2 Pro software and my Android phone. Nothing, nada, not one issue. This thing is so well programmed, I'm blown away. I just can't get over the size of this thing. It just blows me away. You know what? These things are great devices. Some of them might think of them as expensive toys, but you know what? This is something to have, especially if you're a homeowner. You know what? Even if you're a renter, you need one. You can find electrical faults. You can find building heat loss discovery. You know, sometimes you have cold spots. Maybe you're doing your month end after moving into a new place, and you got to tell the builder what your problems are. Well, talk about proof in the pudding. You take a thermal imaging picture with this thing, and man, it's worth 1,000 words. Even rodent tracking. I mean, if you ever have a problem with mice or something, maybe you live on a farm. I don't know. I guess everybody lives on farms, has a mice problem, but you know what I mean. Hey, you can see their little footprints probably, so you can track them down, you know, where they're hiding. I mean, the sky is the proverbial limit. This is just full of useful features. This is even way smaller than the TC view from TopDon that I looked at not that long ago. Trying to think, does this even have competition right now? You know, honestly, I don't think so. To, let's say, the FLIR 1, this is so much better. Let's face it, there's no boot up time, there's no syncing with your phone and all this other silliness. No, you just plug and play instead of plug and pray, and it's ultra responsive. And you know what? 25 frames per second, a preview and recording. I mean, get real, this thing rocks. Closing thoughts on the InfiRay P2 Pro. Oh, this is a most definite must-buy. In the market for a thermal imaging camera, look no further than the InfiRay P2 Pro. It has amazing versatility. Not only is it small, but it is powerful in the biggest sense of the word. Extremely high resolution, higher than a lot of the FLIRs, and at half, if not a third of the price. Highly responsive frame rates, over 25 frames per second, preview and record, hard to beat. Easy to use and tons of functionality make this a definite keeper. Very little bad to say other than the fact that it is just so small, it is actually really easy to lose, so you definitely got to keep a hand on where you're putting it. Besides that, the odd little stutter, and I tell you it's very few and far between. I found it mostly when I was in the macro mode, but that being said, that is really all I have to gripe about. Now, at the end of the day, this is one heck of a cool and complete thermal imaging solution. The InfiRay P2 Pro gets a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Hey, thanks for watching this review, everybody. Till the next one, keep on testing.